Okay, we're going to simplify rational expressions. Our steps are going to be factor, cancel, and then rewrite. So here's my first problem. Take a minute and copy these down. Okay, so here's my first problem. On the top, there's nothing to factor. It's already factored, x plus 2. So I have x plus 2. Then on bottom, this is the difference of perfect squares. So I'm going to factor in an x minus 2 and x plus 2. And if it helps you to think about it, you can put the top in parentheses as well. Now we're going to look for where there's a factor on the top and on the bottom that's the same. Just like 2 divided by 2 equals 1, anything over itself is equal to 1. So here on top, what I'm left with on top is a 1, and on bottom I'm left with x plus 2. And done. Okay, here, these two, I have a greatest common factor there of x cubed that I can factor out. And that leaves me with x squared minus 9. And on bottom I have x squared minus 9. So these can cancel. This time I have nothing left on bottom, so I have x cubed over 1, which is just x cubed. Okay, if you need to pause and copy these down, go ahead. Here, these have a greatest common factor of an x. So I have x and 2 minus x. And then on bottom, I can factor this out. And I have x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now here's a little star that I'm going to make a little note of. Notice how this one here, 2 minus x, is almost the same as this one, x minus 2. What I want you to think about is, here's my little star I'm going to put down here. If I want to switch the order with a minus, x minus 2 is equal to negative 1, 2 minus x. Let's check this out by distributing and see if it's true. If I distribute this, I get negative 2, and I get positive x. And is this the same thing as x minus 2? It is. So, to swap order when subtracting, just factor out a negative 1. In other words, if I have a minus b, if I take out a negative 1, I'll have b minus a. And it swaps the order here by just taking out the negative 1. So here, I'm going to factor out a negative 1. So I've got x, I've got negative 1. Now I can swap this order, x minus 2, over what I had before, x minus 2, and x plus 2. Now I can cancel this one, and I'm left with just negative x over x plus 2. Alright, this one, I need to factor the top and the bottom. So the top is going to be x minus 3 and x plus 1. The bottom I can factor. It's going to be x plus 4 and x plus 1. These will cancel, and that leaves me with just x minus 3 over x plus 4. And then our last one we have here. I need to factor the top, so I have 2x plus 1, and I have x minus 4. On the bottom, I have x minus 4 and x minus 4. So this one will cancel with this one, leaving me with just 2x plus 1 over x minus 4.